We are Jera Line, a factory that produces cable infrastructure products for outdoor deployment. You are watching the video tutorial of aerial ADSS fiber cable installation by wedge clamp. Aerial anchor clamp PA-560 was developed for tension, the round fiber optic cable for optical distribution cable networks, ODN. Product's key features: self-clamping wedges design. One-piece shape prevents any part from falling. Suitable for round ADSS cables of 3 to 8 mm diameters. Tool-free hand installation. Stainless steel wire bail allows installation on pole brackets or hooks. Our mass production facility allows reaching the required delivery time. Welcome to contact us to have more details about drop cable clamps and related products.